Thank you for purchasing your new massage chair. We know you're excited to take your chair for a spin, but first we'll need to ensure everything is assembled properly. When you take your chair out of the box, you should see 6 main parts: the chair base, 2 side panels, the footrest, a remote, and its holder. To begin, we'll start by attaching the 2 side panels. First, locate the 3 air hoses attached to the chair, labeled 7, 8, and 9. Now, underneath the armrest, you should see the inputs for each hose, labeled with the corresponding numbers. Before attaching the hoses, it is helpful to locate the red and white wire harnesses as well. They will be inserted on either side of the air hose connections. Now that you've found all of your connections, simply attach each hose and the wire. If possible, it's recommended that you have someone assist you with this step. Once you've connected everything, simply line up the panel with the tracks on the chair and slide it into place. To ensure the panel stays in place, remember to tighten it to the chassis using a bolt and a washer. Remember to cover up those unsightly wires and bolts, and you're all set. Next, we're going to attach the left side panel, using the exact same process. Again, locate your wires and hoses, this time labeled 1, 2, and 3, and attach them. Slide the panel into place. Secure it with another bolt, and you're nearly done. The hard part is now out of the way, so let's finish this chair off with the easy stuff. Before we attach the leg rest, locate the hose and wire harness attached to it. Now, you should see the inputs at the base of the chair. Attach the wire harness and the air hose, and we can move on. Before setting the leg rest into place, double check and see if the mounts on either side are open and ready. Then simply lift the footrest into place, nesting both rods into their proper mounts. Lastly, secure each latch with a screw. And cover up the chassis. Finally, connect your remote with the wire located on the right-hand side of the chair. Connect the convenient remote holder by screwing it into place. Now, just plug it in, flip the switch, and take a load off. You've earned it.